Hello, my friends. Mila Marie, your tech princess here. So this is the YUNZII QL108, and I already have this in black, but it is so gorgeous, I had to grab it in this white colorway also. The white finish paired with the brushed metal plate just elevates the whole setup. It looks and feels super premium the minute it hits your desk. So this is a full-size mechanical keyboard, so you get the complete layout with a dedicated numpad, which is perfect for work, spreadsheets, long desk days. The retro typewriter style design with the round electroplated keycaps, it gives it a really classic look, but it still feels really modern. The keycaps are shine through. This is a big deal, so the legends are easy to see even in low light. And the south-facing RGB is clean, even and not distracting at all. Typing on this feels incredibly solid. It's hot swappable, so you can switch it out, and it comes with pre-lubed switches. The metal frame adds so much stability, and it eliminates any of that hollow sound that you can get with less premium boards. It's a wired USB-C keyboard that's plug and play. It works across Windows, Mac, wherever you need it, and you can also reprogram the keys and set macros if you're into customizing. If you love a full-size keyboard and appreciate a beautiful retro design, and you want something that feels just as good as it looks, I think this one is definitely worth checking out.